So is it okay now? Is there any more problem? Nishu, Shubham, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Still, there is any problem? I am not getting that why this kind of problem is happening. Okay, so the thing is, the problem we are discussing in the class, in the topic that uh, we are going to do bubble shot programming in our Python language. Okay, we have done bubble shot in C, Java, in all of those, but now we are going to do the bubble shot programming in our Python programming language. So that's why I have the told the students to do the programming in Python of bubble shot. So you will have the concept of bubble shot and how we can solve a list of array or a list of numbers in an array, so that the numbers may be in some jumble or some may, not in shorted way, it is an unsorted order, maybe it is following. So we need to sort that unsorted array via bubble sort programming logic. Okay, so what you people are going to do, you people are going to do the bubble sort programming with the in the Python language. Okay, so just go and do the programming of bubble sorting in Python, and then I am going to check one by one. Okay, and do tell me when you are done with the programming. Do tell me when we are done with the programming, then we are going to check one by one. So what will be the logic for the program and all of the things you people know. So just go and do the programming of bubble sorting. Shubham Kumar Sharma, what is the logic of bubble sorting problem? Shubham, are you there? Golden. Nishu, what is the logic of bubble shorting? Nishu,
सो इन बबल सॉर्ट में ना जो दो एलिमेंट होता है ना, दोनों एडजेसेंट एलिमेंट को कंपेयर करते हैं, और अगर वो रॉन्ग ऑर्डर में हुआ तो दोनों को स्वैप करते हैं।
okay, तो मीन्स कौन सा दो को लेके हम लोग काम करते हैं?
सर
मीन्स
एक तो A0 लेते पहला, और
उसके बाद A0 के साथ किसका कंपैरिजन करेंगे?
A1 का।
ओके, मीन्स पहले दो एलिमेंट का हम लोग कंपैरिजन करेंगे और फिर अगर कुछ शॉर्टिंग या
तो
चेंजेस
एडजस्ट
करना
करेंगे
पड़ेगा फिर उसको शॉर्टिंग करेंगे, राइट?
सर, और कुछ
ओके
चेंजेस नहीं तो आगे बढ़ जाएंगे।
ओके फाइन, सो ओके, उसका भी प्रोग्रामिंग पे लिखो और फिर मैं कोड चेक करूंगा एक वन बाय वन। Okay, Shubham, no issue. Just do the code and send the picture. If there is any problem is going on, you cannot share your screen. Then send the image of the code to me. So when you are done with the code, then raise your hand so that I can check your code. how much time it will take to complete the code? So Dolly have raised your hand. So Dolly, you have completed the code.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I will just, okay, Pallav, we have also done. So Nishu and Shivam, when you are done, you also raise your hand so that I can check the program. Till by that time, I will start with Dolly. Uh, Dolly, you just share your screen and show me the code. Okay, just wait. First, Dolly, check. Let me check the code. So you have created list one with some values. Fine. Okay, so you are printing that list. Okay, that's good. For J in range and for I in range, if list I greater than list I plus one. Okay, so list zero, a value of zero is greater than zero. Okay, list one, then list I, then equal to list I plus one, list I, print list I, else. Okay, run the code. So only change the values, uh, change any other values, put any other values there. Okay, 21, 90, 54, and 67. 25, 54, 90, 67. Okay. Uh, The thing is, Dolly, we can see in the output section that in the fourth line, output section in the fourth line, the code is almost, means it have solved. The array is sorted, right? Third and fourth line. Then why it is get iterated many times? You can see the same, means after the array is getting sorted, still it is iterating. So that is an issue. Okay, the sorted list we are
Yes.
getting in the third and fourth line we are getting that the list was sorted, but still it is actually getting iterated so many times.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so check the code and try to solve this. Okay, so by that time, you can stop your share screen and I am going for Pallavi. So Pallavi, you can show me your code. Okay, so you have put the values 23549, calculating the length I in range 0 to n minus 1 for the sorted list. Okay, you have taken the value, right? Okay, fine. Okay, Pallavi. So yes, it is the simplest way, no issue. Thanks. Okay, fine, Pallavi. You can stop your share screen. So what about Nishu and Shivam and Shubham Kumar Sharma?
So wait for 1 minute.
Okay, Nishu, no issue on that. Okay, so Dolly and Pallavi, as you people have solved the bubble shot problem, so now you people think about the next topic, that is our insertion shot. Okay, so you people just try to make the concept of insertion shot, as the logic of insertion shot is known you people from the data structure class. So I think it not need any discussion. So think about the topic of insertion shot, that how we can solve the problem of insertion shot. And Dolly, Shivam, and Shubham Kumar Sharma, show me the code of bubble shot. And Dolly and Pallavi, you people start your process on insertion shot. Okay, so there is insertion shot. So you people can start your process of insertion shot. So Nishu, you have done with the code of bubble shot. Nishu, Shibam, Shubham Kumar Sharma. शिवम सिन्हा, बोलिए, आपने हैंड रेस किया है तो क्या हुआ बताइए। ओके, फाइन, रन द कोड। ओके, ओके, फाइन, शुभम, शिवम, ओके, नो इशू। So try now the logic of insertion shot. Okay, so Shivam, Dolly, and Pallavi start working on the concept of insertion shot, and Nishu, show me the code of bubble shot. Okay, Shubham, you can share your screen.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible, Shubham.
So simply I am
Okay, I can see the array values.
and I'm storing the length of the and
Hmm.
variable and the length of that as well as that. I'm defining the method as a function and this is the output loop and it's comparing and if it will less than the previous element so it will just swap the numbers using the temporary value then return
Okay, so here we can see the array that is shorted. Okay, fine, fine. Thank you, Shubham. So now started working on the concept of insertion shot. Nishu, what about your bubble shot status? So you have taken the values, fine. Okay, okay, you can run the code. To 11 3. Nishu, the code is not shorted. I think it is not shorted yet. So
Okay, so I'll try again.
okay. No issue on that. Pallavi, just share your screen on the topic of bubble shot and just explain what you have done so that Nishu have an idea that what is the problem he is doing or what the things she need to do. Okay, so Pallavi, just share the screen for the bubble shot one time. Okay, just describe the process that what you have done so that she can understand the process.
Here I have taken a list named as A, and then I have calculated the length of the list. And I have taken a for loop, which is starting from 0th index till n minus 1. And then I have taken another index, which starts from 0 to n minus I minus 1, 1 less than I. Then I am comparing the each elements of array. So if A of j means the first element is greater than the second element, then I swap those two elements and then I store it. And in that way, I am doing for the whole array. And at last, I am printing the sorted list.
Okay, fine. So Nishu, do you have any query?
No, sir.
So can you make it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do it and show me the code of bubble shot. And Pallavi, you can continue on the topic of insertion shot. And if anyone have completed the code of insertion shot, they can raise your hand so that I can check that also. Okay. And Nishu will first show me the code of bubble shot and then after that she will move to insertion shot. anyone have finished any code? So just show me. Okay, Nishu. Run the code. Okay, now I can see is it is running. Okay, fine. Okay, Nishu. So now you can continue with the code of insertion sort. Okay, just go on, start with working on the topic of insertion sort so that we can have a quick view on that. And for the next session of practical class, okay, I am going to share a new link because many of the students are telling that there are some problem is going on. So that's why I am going to share a new link. You people will join in that particular new link. Okay, I am going to share that new link. This link will not work after this session. Okay, so Pallavi, you have done with the code of insertion sort. So you can show me the code of insertion sort. Okay, so here you have taken value of 20, 40, 60. Okay, fine. And length we have taken as AI. Okay, ji minus 1. Okay, okay, fine. So, okay, Pallavi, tell me one thing that what is the concept of insertion sort?
So in insertion sort, we divide the array into two parts, and we consider the first element as a sorted one. So what happens? Then we take in the first part, we divide the array in the two part, which is the left and the right one, and then we consider the first element as the sorted. So we keep on comparing the first element on the left side with the element on the right side one by one, and then keep on inserting the elements from right side to left side, and at the end we get the sorted array.
But Pallavi, where partition have done here in the code? Okay, Pallavi, just stop your share screen for 1 minute. I am going to explain the code of insertion sort. Okay, so let me have a quick view of insertion sort. Right. Okay, so here you can see that what actually happening in the case of insertion sort, that no division, all of this thing is not actually happening in the case of insertion sort. Okay, so it is what is happening here in the case of insertion sort, that you can see a array have been taken here, that is the process of 7452. We can see that. Now what is happening, that we are going to take the first element a0, we can say that is the value of 7. Okay, now there is the value of 7, so it cannot change any position as there is no value placed in the left, right? So we are going to compare with the right value of 7 and 4. So if any changes needed, it is swapping. So we can say that it is almost similar to our bubble sort. But here what is actually happening, that for the first case we can compare it as a bubble sort, but when it is actually processing, it is in a progress. So what we can see, that in the last number, that is 2, the sorting is happening at one time. So we can see that in the step 4, that is 2, the 4, 5, 7, all the values are greater than 2. So the value of 2 will be shifted at once to the first, not by one. So a slight difference here in the case of insertion sort means we are taking the value that is smaller and putting that value where it can be placed, where it needs to place, not by checking each of the conditions as per bubble shot. For the first time, means one iteration will be one, it will follow the process of bubble shot. But then when it is in the progress, we will take the value and do the comparison of all the values with its previous elements at a single time, and then we will put the value when it needs to be placed. So this is the concept of insertion shot. We are taking the value and we are inserting that at which particular place it needs to. Okay, so you can show the code, Pallavi, and run the code, but some slight logic difference is there. Okay, you can run the code. And okay, 2, 3, 8, 20, 40, 60. Okay, so same thing as I am talking. Okay, okay, fine, Pallavi. Then we are going to move for Shivam Sinha. Okay, you have defined a function. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Not, no need to hurry. You have defined a function of insertion short and you have called the function later on. Okay, so for I in range value j equal to I minus 1. Okay, okay. So run the code. Okay, fine. Okay, it's okay. Anyone after Shivam and Pallavi? Dolly, Shubham. So have you have done? Dolly, Shubham, you have done with the code of insertion short? Okay, Dolly, show the code. Okay, fine. Okay. 6417865341786. Okay, run the code. 1345678134567. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, Dolly. You can stop your share screen. Okay, so Dolly, Pallavi, and Shivam Sinha have completed. So now only Nishu and Shubham is left with the code of insertion short. Nishu and Shubham Kumar Sharma. Okay, so as I said that I am going to share a new link. Okay, you people join in the new link for the next session. Okay, not in this one. I am going to share the link. Just wait a minute. And in our last class, we have discussed about a topic of dictionary, right? So how to make a dictionary, how to solve a dictionary, and we have done two programs also on the topic of those dictionary related problems. Okay, now today we are going to uh, do one more program on that. So we are going to do one more program that is related to dictionary program. The program is, I am going to show you people that I think I have given you a assignment also on that. The program is here, that program to remove all duplicate words in a sentence. So in a dictionary or in a list, whatever we can say, suppose there is a string that contains a word several times. So we need to delete the duplicate words. The first time when I am getting an other word, that will be there, but for the later part, whenever I am going to get the word, that needs to be deleted. So this is the problem that you people need to do now, that program to remove all duplicate words in a sentence. So for that you have to make a list and write some string, put some values into that particular string, and then we need to remove a duplicate word. So while when you are actually putting some string into the list, make sure that you have put a word several times. So make sure that you have put a word several times. Okay, so that suppose you have put a word, suppose sky, you have put the word sky 5 times in a sentence. So the fourth sky needs to be removed. Which fourth sky? The later fourth sky, not the first time when I am getting the sky. That sky should be there, and the later fourth sky not need to be there. So you just need to delete that later on skies. Okay, so that is the problem. The third problem we are going to do today, that is program to remove all duplicate words in a sentence. Program to remove all duplicate words in a sentence. And Nishu and Shubham, first show me the code of insertion short, and then we are going to move for the next one.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, Shubham, I can see the code.
I need to explain it, sir.
Okay, and the values. Okay, enter the values. You have taken an input values from the users. Okay, right, fine. Okay, done the code, Shubham. Put the value 4, 19, 2, 7, 1. Okay, fine, Shubham.